Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, if the AC blows hot warm air on the driver's side dash air vent, what can cause that? We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here, guys. Multiple things can cause that. We will talk about it, but guys, the first thing that you want to check is your climate control fuses. Now, then we'll explain what else causes it, but a quick reminder, most people do not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that Dodge Challenger, so we recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box, Dodge Challenger fuse box location. Check it out, guys. First you need to open the hood, and when you open the hood, facing the engine on the left side, here is the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, and you'll find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check first, fuses, then we'll explain what else can cause that. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. And here, if we zoom in a little bit, the fuses that we need to check, multiple fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. First, we're talking about fuse number, guys, 12, which is that fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 39, and you need to check, guys, relay 43. Right there. Then you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Challenger. On the very back, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's a closer look. Press this tab, open that cover, and you're going to find that fuse box here. Specifically, guys, here we need to check fuse number 15 right there. Then here, let's zoom in a little bit. Here, guys, you see that fuse 25 next to it, that's fuse number 32, it's a 15 amp fuse. Check that fuse, very important fuse. Next you need to check fuse number 53, which is that 10 amp fuse right here. And you want to, guys, check relay 71, this one right here as well. Now, other things. You may need to check your climate control switch to make sure that it works correctly, that it changes the temperature. You may have a bad climate control sensor, that's the temperature sensor in the cabin that detects how hot or how cold it is, but usually if it goes bad, you'll be able to scan the system and find that you have a problem. But 9 out of 10 times, guys, will be that device right here. This is known as a blend door actuator. It attaches to a flap and it regulates the temperature from hot to cold. Now, on the inside, it has plastic gears right here that wear out, crack, they start skipping, or the motor burns and it doesn't work anymore, or it works only sometimes, and as a result it may get stuck in the wrong position. When you turn it on AC, it may be still on hot, on heater, and when you turn it to a heater setting, it may be stuck in air conditioner setting. So bad blend door actuator will be 9 out of 10 times causing that problem. If you want to see how to test blend door actuator, if you want to know the symptoms of bad blend door actuator, we have the videos on the channel that will, guys, teach you how to do that step by step. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.